Let's study 9th Standard ICSE, Merchant of Venice, English Literature, Act 2, Scene 1. This scene has the Prince of Morocco wooing Portia. So he enters the scene with great pomp. He has a train of attendees with him, many servants, many gifts. He's dark-skinned because he comes from an equatorial country, but he's proud of it. He tells Portia that many women in his country find him extremely handsome. He also brags about his bravery. He feels that his blood is redder than the blood of some northern kings. There was a belief at that time that the redder the blood, the more courageous is the person. He tells Portia that he's willing to do daring acts to show his bravery in order to win her heart. He's willing to snatch a milk-sucking cub from a mother bear, angering the mother bear. He's willing to face a hungry lion. He also reveals the various exploits and achievements in battlefield. He's willing to stare at the most ferocious human beings on the planet. And he's also willing to change his skin color if that's what it will take for Portia to say yes to him. But Portia clarifies that the choice of a husband is not up to her. She's going to deal with the entire situation as per the instructions of her dead father. She can marry only the one who chooses the right casket. And she also clarifies that she doesn't really go according to skin color only. And in that fashion, the Prince of Morocco would have an equal chance, just like the previous suitors did. So very tactfully, she has told the Prince of Morocco that she doesn't like him, and he didn't even realize this. The Prince of Morocco boasts that his dark skin is a uniform from the sun god. He also boasts that he had slayed the king of Persia and other Persian princes. Portia tells him that there are some conditions to be satisfied and there are some rules to be followed before attempting it. And Prince of Morocco agrees to participate in the lottery of caskets.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.